Hello everybody, this is Juan from Online Business Factory. I'd like to show you today some new really cool features that we have ready for you in our partner site. I will log in into the system. This is the main interface. There you have a list of all of your packs, your products within the system. You have, for instance, the option to manage your branding details. You can there change your banner, your link, so every customer that buys the video maker from you will see your banner there, and they could also click on the link and be taken to your site or your blog or whatever. Okay, but let's now focus on the activation keys. Let's go right to it. So far, whenever you made a sale, you needed to go into this interface, enter your customer information, and once it was done, you had the option of going into this email button. Click there, and the system presented you with a sample of the email that was about to be sent to your customers. Okay, until now you didn't have the option to modifying that email. Okay, that was the template, and the activation key was put in there, but now I will show you how you can change that now and adjust that message to your particular needs. So let's go do that now. Okay, so if you log into your account, you will notice that there is a new My Tools option on the top bar. If you click there, a drop-down menu will appear. Maybe you will not see the second option, PayPal payment integration embed code. I will talk about that in a later video. Okay, but let's focus on the first option, activation key email for customers. Okay, let's go there, and you will be taken to a new screen that is basically composed of two halves. On the right side, you are seeing a preview of how the email that is going to be sent to your customers will look. Okay, and you have the subject there, and you have the body of the message. On the left side, you have the option of modifying that text, and the system will automatically show you how the changes that you do on the left side are reflected on the final outcome on the right side. One interesting to notice is that you have in the subject and also on the body some special fields that you can use, because even when the general email is the same for every customer, some things needs to be replaced in each situation. For instance, your customer name. Okay, so these special fields in blue, in light blue, are exactly that, are special items that you can include in your text and that will be replaced with the corresponding value. So let's use the body of the email to make a quick review of everything that you have available. Let's delete this. Let's see how each special field is replaced once you enter it on the left side, on the right side. Okay, let's hit, for instance, the customer name. You will see it replaced by a Shandao name here. Let's try the download link. This is the link where you must download your software. Your customer should download the software. If you change the branding that you are going to be using, you see how that is automatically replaced in the URL. You have optioned the activation key for each customer. You also have the brand name. See how that also changes when you sell activation keys corresponding to one branding or the other. That is also changing. You have the qualifier, that short string that identifies your branding. You have the link that you put on your banner in case you want to refer that in the text of your email. You have the text that you put below the branding, and you have the support URL. That is where your customers should direct their questions or problems. So let's see how this works in a real example. I will try to compose a mail from the start. Let's say that I want to address my customer starting with their name. For instance, let's see, something like, let's use the customer name. Thanks for buying Media Maker. That should do it as a subject. Let's go to the body. I have again the customer name here. I will use again the brand name. I will use on the download link now. Notice how it is automatically replaced, so you can have a clear preview of what is going to be released to each customer. I will include the activation key now. In case you need support. And finally the support URL. Okay, obviously this is just a draft to show you what can you do with this. Remember to save after you include your changes. Well, that is how it works. I hope you can use this and take advantage of this, and well, see you next time.